Hi, my name is Jana and I'm in first year, and I'm going to talk to you a bit about one of the projects for healthy sustainable communities, which is the first year module. And the project is divided into two parts, element 1 and element 2. And for element 1, the goal is to develop your own proposal for a healthy sustainable community. And in order to develop that proposal, you select an appropriate site. You get a range of different criteria from lecturers, for example, in regards to the size, to the location. It has to be a brownfield site, and then you go and find your own site to plan your own community. And in order to make sure that the proposal is helping the local community and is meeting the needs of the neighborhood, you have to do a range of different analysis. For example, an analysis of the surrounding amenities, of the local policy data, and of local social demographic data to identify any lacks in amenities and to make sure that what you propose is in line with government and council frameworks, and so that what you propose is helping the local community. Especially for this analysis part, you produce your own maps with a software called Arcgis, and these maps are really helpful to show the context of the site and to then argue why you put different elements on your site. For example, you can develop maps that show the site location in relation to the city center. You can show the surrounding area and the connectivity. So on the last map, for example, you see the bus stops, you see a cycle path, and these maps really help you to identify needs of the area and to then develop elements that you want to put on your site that really help to improve the local community. And for the development of these maps, you get a lot of support from the HSC team. You get a step-by-step guide on how to produce them. So it's, even if you haven't worked with a GIS system before, it's really easy because you get a really good tutorial on how to produce these maps. Then you also produce a layout plan, and this helps to show the lecturers and the people that mark your report to show how you imagine your site to look like, where the different elements are placed, how they work in relation to each other. So you put on information about the housing type and the number, the tenure, different amenities and facilities, the green space, and show how you imagine the transport system to work. For element 2, you set 5 different goals, and these are environmental, social, and economic. And these goals also have to make sense in the context of the site and the surrounding area. And to support these goals and to make sure that they're actually met, you develop 2 to 3 design responses per goal. For example, if surveys have shown that the people in the area feel unsafe, that there's a lot of crime, that they don't feel safe to go outside after dark, you can say your goal is to improve the safety of the area, and your design response is to introduce more street lighting, to introduce alley gates, and to improve natural surveillance. So you have big open spaces that can be easily overlooked. And in the end, you evaluate your own proposal and you use different frameworks to really critically reflect on what has improved through your proposal of your own healthy, sustainable community. So altogether, this is a very enjoyable assignment. It's really fun because you get the opportunity to work on your own projects. You get to put your own ideas into practice. So yeah, it's something you can look forward to. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.